I just bought country's cheapest 2023 model Volkswagen Virtus, but there's a catch. I thought it was involved in a minor accident, but surely it doesn't look. This car was bought sight unseen, so I thought by replacing the front portion, the car will be ready. But after inspecting it thoroughly, I found out that there's a damage on the strut tower. So, yep, there's a big issue over there. And this is not a normal engine. This is a 1.5 liter psi petrol engine, and this is a GT spec variant. So it gets a special engine and a special gearbox, and the normal Virtus gets a 1 liter engine. And over when we look over here, if you look at this apron, it's bent towards down. So yeah, that's also an issue. And can you believe that's the ECM of this vehicle? This is how the ECM looks like. And there's a damage on the wiring harness, and this is the fuse box. Yes, it's also broken. So that's the fuse box. And I really hope that the gearbox is not damaged. Why? Because if the gearbox is damaged, then that is gonna cost us a really lot, or else nothing much more than that. How can I forget that? That's the sunroof, and there's damage over here. Yeah, that's a issue for us now, but it won't be a big problem for us. So the sunroof looks like good, but we are not gonna use this sunroof. We have to replace it. Why? Because this glass is fixed on a metal frame, so when it has damaged this. Let's check out the interior. Just look. Oh, it's written Volkswagen. Is the battery wire connected?
I think yes.
So I think we can
Start
turn on
the
not start the
ignition.
engine, but turn on the ignition. Let's try. Just look at the interior, man. Beautiful.
Cockpit is very nice.
Yes, it is. Just look at the gear lever. There's no cap over here. And now let's try it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yes, it turned on. It says please check the coolant levels. It's bad. Airbag. Just look at the airbags. They are blown up.
Airbags are also blown up.
Yeah, gone. Obviously, it will say. Oh my. Tire pressure monitoring system. Oh, there are so many lights on the dash.
What happened to this?
What happened to the cluster? It suddenly turned off.
I think the lights are.
Let me turn it on. Nah. What is
I
happening?
think the battery is low.
I do think. What's this? Oh, there's the ambient lighting also.
Turn on the ignition
Let me turn
again.
on again the ignition. It will rise up or not. Yeah, again it came back. Okay, there are so many lights on the dash, and just look at the screen, man. It's so beautiful. Oh, it says GD over there. The infotainment system is also on.
Slow down the music.
Oh, even the music is also connected. Okay.
Everything works in the interior.
Wow. Just look at the infotainment system. And there are so
The glass
many
is shredded.
It's totally shredded. And does the sunroof works?
No, don't try it. Don't try it.
It's gone, man. We have to replace the
Because
sunroof.
from the top,
It's totally gone.
if it will open, then it will never close.
Sun visors, okay, and ventilated seats. This car feels so solid in the interior, you know. There's nothing much in the interior.
But there is a lot on the exterior.
Yeah, there is a lot in the exterior. We have to do a lot of work. Let me turn
Turn off
off
the
the
ignition.
ignition. Well, it's turned off.
And in the rear seats, everything is perfect. It's completely perfect.
वो बंद करना.
Disconnect the battery.
Yeah, we will disconnect the battery. So that's it for this. And now we are going to start stripping out the vehicle. And yes, let's start it. We can't do anything more than that.
And the A4 is.
And the A4 is ready. You will also get the update on YouTube. So
I think this
make
video will come before this one.
obviously it will. And there's another Audi. This is a 2015 model Audi A4, which we are already rebuilt it, and it's now completed. We have to just change those side mirrors. We are waiting for that only. And this is the 2018 model Audi A4, which we have to work on it, but we are not working. Why? Because
We are having this thing from 4 years.
it's almost 4 years. The reason why we have stopped it because this is a latest generation Audi A4, and the spares are really difficult to find out. So that's the reason we have stopped. We need the dashboard to complete the interior and other things. And now we are not going to focus on those. Now we are going to focus on this car, and we will try to rebuild it as soon as possible.
So let's
So
get going.
let's get going. If you like this type of content, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And in the upcoming video, we are going to strip out this car completely and check whether what the damages are there and what parts has to be replaced. And do follow us on Instagram. We will be updating regularly on that platform. And if you like this type of content, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.